Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Expert. Waste management, recycling and water sewage systems are some of the biggest issues in our country. So the government is trying to solve this issue through many private players. So the interesting fact is that this sector has just begun its growth. So today's video, let's discuss 7 recycling stocks to invest in. So these stocks are from solid waste recycling, PET bottle recycling, alloy lead recycling, water metal recycling, sewage water recycling and battery recycling. The central government has established a critical mineral mission. So this mission will focus on domestic exploration, mineral recycling and the overseas acquisition of critical mineral assets. And also the government will promote water supply, sewage treatment and solid waste management projects and services for 100 large cities through bankable projects. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share my videos with your friends and family or anyone who might be interested. So let's get started. The first stock we are going to talk about is engaged in municipal solid waste management business in India. So this stock is a significant player in the Indian municipal waste management industry with a track record of around 20 years. So established in 2001, this company has evolved from simple waste collection to comprehensive waste management services, including mechanical power sweeping of roads and waste to energy projects. This stock operates across various segments with 64% of its revenue coming from the collection and transportation of municipal solid waste. So the company's revenue sources also include tipping fees, contract revenue and mechanical power sweeping of roads. The market cap of the stock is 1736 crores. The stock I'm talking about is Antony Waste Handling Cell. The current price of the stock is 595 rupees. The company actively contributes to the entire waste management supply chain. So they use garbage compactors to facilitate efficient waste collection and transportation, ensuring the proper containment and management of waste. They are also in the process of extracting biogas and generating electricity. They use the waste to energy initiatives to reduce the reliance on fossil fuels, simultaneously reducing the greenhouse gas emissions and promoting the principles of a circular economy. So Antony Waste owns one of the largest waste processing plants in Asia, handling approximately 60% of Mumbai's total waste. So their fleet includes various types of vehicles such as small tippers, compactors and big tippers. So this stock is almost 50% down from its 52-week high of 902 rupees. The price to earnings ratio is 24.83, lower than its sector P ratio of 36.89. Debt to equity ratio is lower than 1. Return on equity for the last financial year was 11.5%. The second stock is the largest PET bottle recycling company in India. They recycles over 16% of India's PET bottle waste annually. This stock is also engaged in manufacturing recycled polyester staple fiber, spun yarn and dyed textured yarn. These products are used in clothing, padding, insulation, carpets, fabrics, sarees, upholstery, and many more. So the company significantly contributes to the environment by recycling approximately 97,000 metric tons of PET waste, equivalent to over 6 billion PET bottles annually. The market cap of the stock is 4,680 crores. The stock I am talking about is Ganesha Ecosphere. The current price of the stock is 1,805 rupees. So Ganesha Ecosphere benefits from government policies such as approving B2B recycling for food grade applications and mandatory regulations to use the recycled PET. The company has a network of over 250 suppliers and serves more than 500 customers in both domestic and in the international markets. So Ganesha Ecosphere exports to over 20 countries. They have a contract with Moon Beverages Limited, an authorized bottler of Coca-Cola, for the supply of PET bottles. So Ganesha Ecosphere sells its products to textile players and key original equipment manufacturers. Around 65% of its sales are from spinning segment, 25% to the technical non-woven segment and 10% from the stuffing segment. The top 10 customers contributed approximately 21% of the total revenue. This stock is 37% down from its 52-week high of 2,484 rupees. Price to earnings ratio is 55.73, higher than its sector P ratio of 30.8. Debt to equity ratio is lower than 1. Return on equity for the last financial year was 7%. The next stock is a prominent player in the recycling sector, specializing in the manufacture of lead metal alloys and non-ferrous metals. So this stock is a leader in the metallic and non-metallic recycling industry, especially as India's largest secondary lead manufacturer. So this company recycles various forms of lead, aluminium and copper to produce pure metals and alloys. So they have the presence in metals, metallic oxides, PVC stabilizers and lead acid batteries. So its primary products are lead and lead alloys, which are mainly used in the manufacturing lead acid batteries. The market cap of the stock is 2,401 crores. The stock I'm talking about is Pondy Oxides and Chemicals. The current price of the stock is 830 rupees. So this stock also produces zinc metal and zinc oxide. The company's production facilities is an installed capacity of 1.32 lakh tons per annum. So Pondy Oxides has entered a contract with Government of Tamil Nadu for building recycling plants in the state. The company's notable clients include Amar Raja Battery, Sabang Global Battery, and Glencoe International. Pondy Oxide procures materials from over 270 suppliers across more than 90 countries. So they exports primarily to countries in the Asian region such as Japan, South Korea, Thailand and Middle East. So geographically 56% of their revenue came from exports and 44% from the domestic sales. Pondy Oxides intend to increase their lead production capacity by an additional 72,000 metric tons per annum. So the company is also enhancing the capacity in its existing sectors while diversifying into emerging fields like lithium-ion technology and forward integration. So this stock is 43% down from its 52-week high of 1,190 rupees. The price to earnings ratio is 47.72, higher than its sector P ratio of 15.98. Debt to equity ratio is lower than 1. Return on equity for the last financial year was 12.7%. The next stock is a leader in the water treatment sector. So this stock provides a variety of solutions including sewage water treatment, drinking water treatment, industrial water treatment, wastewater treatment, desalination and recycling. So majority of their orders come from municipal projects. So this stock oversees the commissioning of water treatment plants and provides ongoing maintenance services to ensure they operate smoothly over time. So this company procures and supplies the necessary equipments, materials and technologies for implementing the water treatment projects. They have a presence across the entire value chain of water solutions from research and developing to engineering, procurement and operations. The market cap of the stock is 9,586 crores. The stock I am talking about is Babak. The current price of the stock is 1,506 rupees. They undertake the physical installation and construction work required to set up the water treatment facilities, ensuring that everything is built according to specifications and standards. They manage the day-to-day operations of water treatment plants, ensuring they run efficiently and effectively to produce clean water. So this stock has undertaken over 6,500 projects across 25 plus countries, serving regions like the Indian subcontinent, Middle East and Africa, Europe and Southeast Asia. So this stock is 30% down from its 52-week high of 1,944 rupees. Price to earnings ratio is 36.74, higher than a sector P ratio of 33.6. Debt to equity ratio is lower than 1. Return on equity for the last financial year was 13.2%. The next stock is a metal and paper recycling company. The global metal scrap recycling market is over $500 million, whereas India's share is only 2.2% of the industry. So recycling is poised to emerge as a dominant theme in the metals industry. So ferrous metal recycling in India has the potential to reduce the emissions by about 59%. So metal recycling benefits various sectors and businesses. So this company recycles lead and lead products, plastic and aluminium using environment-friendly processes as well as provides turnkey solutions. This company is also proficient in recycling used batteries, cable scrap, other lead scrap, aluminum scrap and plastic scrap. The market cap of the stock is 16,578 crores. The stock I am talking about is Gravita India. The current price of the stock is 2,254 rupees. Gravita India specializes in lead, aluminium, plastic and rubber recycling, serving both domestic and global markets. So the company's products are classified into 5 verticals: lead recycling, aluminium recycling, plastic recycling, rubber recycling and turnkey solutions. So some of its products include pure lead, specific lead alloys, lead sheets, lead power and PET flakes. So they have a widespread international presence. Their operations within India cater to more than 230 customers in 22 states. The company's revenue breakup showcases a diverse portfolio, with lead accounted for approximately 88%, aluminium 8%, plastic products 3% and the other projects contributed about 1%. Geographically, 62% of the company's revenue come from India and 38% from overseas. So, Gravita provides in-house recycling technology, technical consultancy and services for recycling. It has a PLC-based control and monitor system for advanced setups and annual maintenance contract. This stock is 20% down from its 52-week high of 2,700 rupees. The price to earnings ratio 61.72, higher than the sector P ratio 15.98. Debt to equity ratio is lower than 1. Return on equity for the last financial year was 28.9%. The next stock is from the water management industry. So this stock is one of the largest comprehensive service providers for water and wastewater management. With over 1 lakh installations worldwide, they have earned the stripe of becoming the largest one-stop solutions provider in Asia, from engineering solutions to chemical treatments and consumer products. So this stock covers it all. They have 7 plants in India and several others abroad. The market cap of the stock is 9,398 crores. The stock I am talking about is Iron Exchange. The current price of the stock is 644 rupees. From water and wastewater treatment to seawater desalination, Iron Exchange provides integrated solutions to diverse industries. So their revenue streams are diversified across engineering at 60%, chemicals at 30% and consumer products at 10%. So the company offers services like raw water treatment, desalination, water treatment plants, urban and rural drinking water treatment, air treatment, waste to energy, industrial wastewater treatment and many more. With widespread distribution networks and exports to various continents, Iron Exchange is truly making it a global impact. So this stock is 20% down from its 52-week high of 768 rupees. The price to earnings ratio is 43.87, lower than the sector P ratio of 33.6. Debt to equity ratio is lower than 1. Return on equity for the last financial year was 19.7%. Stock is engaged in battery recycling. So this stock developed and innovate raw materials for lithium-ion battery value chain. So this company is developing innovative recycling technology aimed at achieving over 90% recovery of end of the life cycle lithium-ion batteries. So this process focuses on reclaiming lithium and other metallic components, contributing to a sustainable and eco-friendly approach to battery recycling. The market cap of the stock is 28,278 crores. The stock I am talking about is Himadri Specialty Chemicals. The current price of the stock is 579 rupees. So Himadri Specialty Chemicals is a key player in the carbon materials and chemical sector in India. Their efforts in the area is a part of a broader commitment to establish a circular economy within the lithium-ion battery segment, reducing the overall carbon footprint of this industry. So in addition to recycling, the Himadri is also exploring into second life applications for lithium-ion batteries, particularly in the energy storage systems. By repurposing these batteries from electric vehicles with reduced capacity, they aim to extend the life cycle of these batteries and maximize the resource efficiency. So this stock is 20% down from its 52-week high of 688 rupees. The price to earnings ratio is 58.69, higher than the sector P ratio of 49.32. Debt to equity ratio is lower than 1. Return on equity for the last financial year was 14.14%. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.